Are you looking for a permanent solution to hair loss? You've probably heard about the FUT hair transplant. Today, I'm going to explain what it is, how it works, and why it might be the best option for you. The FUT hair transplant, or follicular unit transplantation, is one of the most trusted and reliable techniques in hair restoration. Unlike other methods, it involves removing a small strip of scalp from the back of the head, which is the donor area. From this strip, the follicular units are carefully extracted and then transplanted into thinning or balding areas. The result is natural, long-lasting hair growth that looks completely authentic. Some of the main advantages of a FUT hair transplant include high graft survival rate, ideal for patients who need a larger number of grafts, permanent, natural-looking growth, more cost-effective compared to other methods. Recovery is usually quick, with most patients able to return to their normal activities within a week. Over the following months, you'll notice your hair growing steadily and naturally, helping you regain confidence gradually. If you're ready to take the next step, we invite you to visit Cancun Hair Restoration. You can learn more about the procedure, its benefits, and the recovery process by clicking the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and information about hair restoration.